Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Aniela and I love sewing and making my own clothes. In this video I'm going to show you how to sew a halter top with drop neckline from any fabric. This is a fun and easy project that you can do without using any pattern. You just need some fabric, scissors, pins and a sewing machine. This halter top is inspired by the Euphoria serial, which has some amazing outfits and styles. In this top you can adjust the neckline depth with the tie straps according to your own preference. Stay tuned to see how I made it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more sewing tips and tutorials. You can also leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. And now let's get started! this is how my halter top turned out. I love how it looks and feels. What do you think? Do you have any questions or comments? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more sewing tips and tutorials. You can also follow me on Instagram, Sparrow Fashion, where I share more of my projects and inspiration. For more details and photos of this project, check out my blog post, sparrowwithfashion.com. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. I'll see you in the next video. Happy sewing!